Hello, my beloved people all over the world. Welcome to Twin Mommy TV. All right, welcome to God's Garden. Okay, today I just want to give you guys a very short update. Okay, if you guys remember the when I started the cuttings for the figs, I had different kind of figs. Amongst them, I'm even seeing Peter honey fig. I'm seeing Diana fig. I'm seeing what is this? Which fig is this? Okay, this is Smith fig. Different, kinds. Okay, so I did the rooting. Okay, and I did all the rootings, and I think, look at where I was rooting it. If you guys can remember, okay, I have all these trimmings here because this mulberry tree is overgrown, so we did some pruning. Okay, so I had all of them here. If you remember, some of them here, and some of them on the other side. It's already blocked now. Okay, yeah, right there. And not all of them took. So as you can see, I'm going to show you now. You can see this one didn't take. This one didn't take. Okay, this one didn't take. Some of them, this one, there were two, only one took. Okay, so that's how it is. This one, let's see this one. Okay, this one, there were about four of them, and just how many took? Oh, three of them took. So what? Let us see the name of this one. Sorry guys, I'm doing it with one hand. English brown turkey fig. Okay, so I planted 4. Okay, 3 took, 1 did not take. So this is how it is. I wasted a lot of money because some of them did not root. Like this one, they didn't root at all. What is this one? This one is LSU gold. LSU gold fig. I bought it twice. They didn't take. I think the third one is on my window. I'm going to give you guys an update on that one. Yes. Okay, guys. So I bought this LSU gold fig from two vendors. I mean 2 that didn't take. Then the third one, I got very tiny ones, which I will show you guys, when I bring the update. Okay, so a lot of them took, but some of them did not take. Okay, so some of them 1 took, and okay, this one is how many is this? Sorry guys, let me see what this one is. I don't even know the name of this one, but just 1 took out of the 3. Okay, so that is how some of them took, some of them did not take. See that that didn't take, this one didn't take. And let me see if I have other ones hiding. Okay, I think there's one here too. That one, this one didn't take. This one is this particular one. I hope you guys can see this one. This particular one under is Desert King. You see that? It didn't take at all. Look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They didn't take. Okay, it's hiding here. All right. So yeah. So let me tell you guys something. I lost a lot of money. When I messaged the sellers, some of them were gracious. They offered me replacement, and some of them the replacement did not work. Then some of them just told me, "Oh, sorry, there's nothing they can do. X, Y, and Z. They cannot guarantee, the success of the rooting of the fig." So that was all they told me, and that they cannot do anything. Okay, this one came out I had a lot of this. This is Shumbin, yeah. So this one, I had a lot of them. Came up. This Shumbin. Some of them did come up, but a lot of them came up because I had up to 15 of the cuttings of this Shumbin fig cuttings. I got a lot from the seller. It was generous. Okay, guys. So I have all these successful ones. So I have to find time to transplant them into 5 gallon or 1 gallon. 1 gallon pot. Okay, this one is let me show you this. This one is yellow long neck fig. So you see, this one came out very, very beautifully. Okay, where can I put it so that you guys can see it? This one came out very, very beautifully. I'm gonna put it up here so that, sorry guys, I'm doing it by myself. Okay, so this one took very well. This one was the first one that came up. This yellow long neck fig. Yes, if I had put them, I transplanted them into bigger pot, believe me, I know by now I might, I might have, it might have started, or it may be bringing out fruit by now. Maybe, I don't know. That's why I'm speaking all kinds of grammar. Okay, maybe, or at least bigger, or almost getting matured to give me fruit. Either of that, because it grew so fast. It has been, it has rooted long time ago, many months, during the winter. Yes, I way ahead of all these other ones. Okay, so this one did very well, very, very easy to root. This yellow long neck. Okay, so that's very good, so yeah. So I'm just going to find time to I just want to do this. I know, I'm not doing a very good job, but okay, this one is a Peter honey. This one is another very nice one. Okay, but let me see. Look, it's like there's life here. These things, they take forever. This one is since last winter, and look, so you don't really give up on some of these fig cuttings. You don't give up on them. Okay, look at, I can see life even in this. Oh my goodness, all the, you guys, can you see them? Can you see? Look, life. There's life in this one. You see, there are life. There's life in this. You see that 1, 2, life there, and this very small one right here, life. So I have 4 of them. 4. I wish you guys can see it. 4. You see them? See, you see the life? See, look at it. Look at it. This 4. Wow. They've been there for a long time. For months. And they don't give up. Some of them, yes, like this ones. These ones are dried out. There's nothing, Oh, sorry guys. Can you see them? Yeah. See this one? Nothing. I took it from here. Nothing is going to come out from that one or this one. It looks dead. But the other ones that I showed you guys, I see life. Even, I think this one even have some life, coming up. Okay, so please, you guys don't give up. So even this one, I'm still going to let it grow. Even this one, I'm going to just let it be. Because sometimes, we just pull them out and say, oh, it's not going to do anything. But when you give it time, guess what? It can still grow. Okay, guys. Yeah, so that is it. Look at this one. Yeah, this is Smith. Only one grew. And something else is growing there. I don't know what is growing right there. Look at. See something, a parasite. Look at something growing. I don't know what it is. Okay, so but this one, I'm not seeing anything, but I'll let it be. Who knows? Okay, guys. So yes, so I just wanted to give you guys an update Okay, so I pray that I have time to show you guys how, when I start transplanting them. It's a lot of them, so I'm just going to take it few at a time, or maybe 1 or 2 at a time or something. So I will first of all put them in a I think a 5. I will see how the root is. If it's giving me very good root, then I'll put it in a 5 gallon, or else I'll put it in this 1 gallon. Okay, so I'm just going to see how it goes. Okay, if you guys don't know what a 5 gallon is, this one is 5 gallon. This is 5 gallon. Okay, that is 5 gallon. Okay, so I can put it there. Okay, and this is 1 gallon. This is 1 gallon. Okay, guys, 1 gallon. 1 gallon. All right, so yeah, I thank God, but like I told you guys, I really, a lot of money. They are pricey. I lost them. Like, look at this one, this one, the other one, and some of them just one that came out. And I'm sure if I look, behind some pots, I'm sure I still have some that I didn't take, but I have all this one that took, so I thank God. Okay, so you just give it a try. That is just what you have to do. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give me thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Yeah, Twin Mommy has been so busy. I'm telling you, I've neglected my garden. I've been so busy. I've not had time to even transplant some things that I wanted to transplant. Look at some of these things I was supposed to transplant it, but I was so busy. What I was doing was so important I couldn't just leave them. But I was watering the ones that I've already planted. That was all she wrote. That's all I could do. All right, guys. I thank God that all these ones took. All right. Thanks for watching. God bless you always. Shalom.